The truth is, starting your own SaaS company has never been easier than it is today. With new companies offering white label software, anyone, and I mean anyone, can have their own software product without building a single thing. All you have to do is just slap your logo on the white label software, and you can compete toe-to-toe with a software giant like ManyChat in just a couple of hours.
Wow.
And that is exactly what I'm going to be explaining today. I spent countless of hours researching and experimenting just to break down these 3 crucial points for you guys. Number 1, what is the best white label software you should be using for this? Number 2, how this white label software can compete or even surpass ManyChat's capabilities. And last but not least, just so that you guys will believe me, I'll be showing you guys an actual brand and a business who has made tons of money just by slapping their logo on this piece of software. So without further ado, let's dive right in. When it comes to choosing the best white label software, there are actually several options out there, but one really stands out above the rest to actually become an industry leader, and that software is HighLevel. So HighLevel is an all-in-one marketing software that has tons of features, starting from CRMs, marketing automation, website builders, email campaign management, membership sites, communities platform, basically everything that a business needs in order for them to be successful in marketing. Now, you may not have heard or seen their ads before, and that's because this software was actually made for marketing agencies who are looking for a white label marketing software, so even their ads are quite low-key. These are a few reasons why I believe that HighLevel is the best software out there for no-code SaaSpreneurs. Number 1, their features are quite literally endless. So HighLevel combines multiple tools with the capabilities of these big softwares all into just one platform. This brings us to point number 2. This could quite possibly be the most versatile tool out there. The amounts of features coupled with how customizable it is allows you to make specific software functions for specific niches. Other than that, HighLevel also takes white labeling to the next level. You can completely rebrand the software with your own brand, with your own logo, colors, custom domains, and they even made options to white label mobile apps and zip your actions. Now, when choosing a software provider, you must also take a look at the support ecosystem. For me personally, I think HighLevel really excels at this point. Why? Because they have a community of amazing people who are willing to help each other, and I don't really know, but I just feel like this community is different in a lot of ways. It's almost like we have this really strong sense of belongingness with each other, you know? And I think one of the reasons why is also because the founder and the co-founders are really active in the groups as well. In fact, every time there's a new software update or enhancement, which is almost every day, the founder is actually the one who makes a video and announces the new features. And it doesn't just stop there. If you guys need help, if you guys need support, they have a 24/7 live chat and also a Zoom access where you guys can go into breakout rooms and talk straight away to the customer support agent, which is really perfect if you guys are having frustrating moments. And last but not least, or shall I say the most important part, is that HighLevel is really affordable. The unlimited sub account package is only priced at $297 a month, guys.
Wow.
And that will allow you to have unlimited amounts of sub accounts, unlimited amount of clients, and full access to all the features within HighLevel. Now, of course, there will be some variable costs, right? Like the cost of the AI tokens and the AI usage and things like that. But even those variable costs, you as the owner of the software will be able to mark up the pricing for your own clients. So with that being said, how can this white label marketing software could actually compete with ManyChat or even surpass its capabilities? Now, for those of you who doesn't know what ManyChat is a platform that is well known by brands and also by creators for its DM automation capabilities. So I'm guessing if you guys have watched Reels before, you've probably heard someone or some creator say, comment the word X and I'll be sending you the Y for free. That's DM automation in action. So what it does is it provides a more effective call to action when compared to directing people to go to the link in bio. So by allowing brands and influencers to tell their audience to comment a specific keyword, it creates a seamless and engaging way for the audience to actually follow through with the CTA. So this results in less friction and higher conversion rates. Now, HighLevel offers this same DM automation capabilities. The automation interface within HighLevel allows you to create conversation flows and automations just like you would in ManyChat. Additionally, HighLevel takes it a step further with a built-in conversation AI capability, allowing for more sophistication. But if you prefer a simpler approach, then you could also utilize the buttons option. And this is also something that ManyChat can do. Now, ManyChat is an undeniably powerful DM automation platform. However, HighLevel's versatility provides significant advantages. First of all, HighLevel is an all-in-one solution. While ManyChat users will require multiple tools tools to actually consolidate and operate their entire business operations, high level has the ability to consolidate everything in just one place. Now, for instance, if you're targeting the creators niche, you can offer DM automations, which is what ManyChat could do as well. And alongside that, you guys could also offer course builders, community platform, calendars, email marketing, payment system, marketing automations. On top of that, you guys can offer bonus features, so you guys can offer more value. And this comprehensive package is going to be really convenient for your target market. Secondly, we're going to be talking about cost and efficiency. Using a single platform instead of multiple platforms and having to integrate them with like a software like Make will end up reducing significant costs for these creators. Now, this efficiency and this cost reduction is actually a strong point for your prospect to choose you over ManyChat. Since High Level has a multitude of features, our niche in this example, which is a creators niche, won't actually be needing all of the software's features. But a smart thing that you guys could do is actually position those extra features as bonus elements. So by positioning features that aren't really important as bonus elements, it can make it seem like you guys are providing more value for your prospects. So just to recap a bit, guys, High Level's all-in-one marketing software not only matches ManyChat's capabilities, but also offers additional features and efficiencies that can benefit brands and influencers or creators over ManyChat. This is what makes High Level such an attractive alternative, giving you a really strong competitive edge in the market. So the question now is, has anyone actually done it? Has anyone slapped their logo on it on that white label marketing platform and actually become successful through it? Well, I want you guys to meet Course Creator Pro, a brand that uses High Level to create the all-in-one perfect software for creators and educators. And when you hand over a sophisticated software to the average Joe, most of them wouldn't know how to operate it to actually achieve the results that they want. Course Creator Pro tackled this problem brilliantly. So instead of selling software features like everyone else, they went a step further. They built niche-specific funnels, automations, websites, templates, ready-to-use marketing assets on top of the already powerful software that they have. So when their clients log in, they can simply customize these pre-built marketing systems and just set the system in motion to generate more leads. But the cool thing is, Course Creator Pro didn't just stop there, guys. They also provide a course tailored to the creator's niche along with the software. This gives their clients both the knowledge and the tools to actually become a successful creator. And if their clients are successful, their clients are going to stay with the software for a long time and the cycle just repeats. Now, if you're worried about software delivery and having to create pre-built marketing assets every time you deliver your SaaS, don't be, because High Level actually offers a snapshot capability. This feature allows you to copy and paste the entire settings and the entire assets of a particular SaaS account and paste it to another SaaS account. So every time you have new clients, all you have to do is just copy and paste it from the previous client to the new client. So here's how it works. You'll build the marketing asset in one account, then you'll copy and paste that marketing asset into all the new sub accounts that you're gonna make for your clients. And so this is what makes service delivery such a breeze, guys. So all the advantages that I've mentioned above are specific benefits that ManyChat cannot provide. High Level's versatility allows you to solve more specific problems for specific niches and thereby actually increasing the value of the solution that you're offering as a SaaS company. By leveraging High Level, you're not just offering another tool, you're not just offering another software, you're providing a comprehensive, tailored solution that empowers your clients to actually succeed. So as you can see, the opportunity to start your own SaaS company without any code or without building anything is not only real, but it is highly accessible as well. With platforms like High Level, you could literally just enter the market and compete with these giants and just manage to get some piece of the pie from the actual market. Now, I just want to be clear, I'm not selling you guys a course and I never will. My goal with this video is to provide you with absolute value. And so with that being said, if you guys are actually interested in this opportunity and you guys want to learn more and deeper into this topic, I've put a 100% free masterclass on how to actually utilize this software and sell it to potential clients. So in that masterclass, I'll walk you through the SaaS business model opportunity, how to build autopilot marketing systems, and also how to use the software to leverage AI to increase your client sales. Now, the best way to learn about this is to actually learn by doing. So while you guys are accessing the masterclass, you guys can also access High Level for 14 days for free. So during those 14 days, you guys can learn for free, right, the masterclass, and also you guys can learn while actually using the software as well, all for free with no risk at all. But if you guys think that this opportunity isn't for you in the middle of the way, then you guys could just cancel anytime. So it's 100% risk free. Alright, and on top of that, I'll also be giving you guys a few other resources so that you could get started even quicker on this. So click the link in the description to sign up for the High Level free trial and also for the free masterclass. And if you guys found this video to be valuable, then please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.